In this tips and tricks video, we're going to take a look at how you can drill holes from drawings that you have imported from other software. Now, here you can see that I've got the drilling toolpath open and I've got a drawing that I've imported from a PDF. I have no idea what this has actually been drawn in, but what I'm going to do is select all of those circles, and I've already set up my finish depth of 1/2 inch, and I've set up the material thickness, and I'm using a 1/16 of an inch end mill. So I'm going to click calculate now. And it will pop up an error message saying that no vectors are selected for machining. Now, what's this talking about? I've got 4 vectors selected right there. I can see them selected. So what's going on? What the problem is that here I have selected circular vectors. So the program is expecting me to select circles. Now, if we zoom in on one of these circles, what looks like circles, you'll see that they're not actually circles. You can see that they're actually lines that are connected to each other. So if I click there and then go into node editing here, you can see that I've got all of these points. And that's what's causing the problem. The program doesn't see this as a circle, it's just a series of lines. So to overcome that, what we need to do, let me just zoom back out, is select this option here, which is all selected vectors. So if I click that, then it doesn't matter if they're circles or not, and then I can click calculate now and it will automatically drill those holes for me. So if you ever see that error message pop up when you're drilling holes, the reason is that they're not circles.